feel if you're watching it live.
Free entrance ito. But look at that, Mark.
Ooh.
The way to start our week.
Measured completely, perfectly, trying to get back on top of our team standings.
Pinala doon to take a win nung kanilang huling linggo, last 2 weeks.
Dito sa ating SBA Season 2, being the defending champions from Season 1. But they're trying to adjust here, as you can see.
The Pillars.
Jolo Aspuria, of course, this Season 2 has been a revelation para dito sa kupunan ng Negros Occidental Pillars. And he's on his way to wrapping up First Blood, getting the first rack ito sa ating Race to 13. Exhibition tayo under the kilikili shot. Maganda kalat ng bola.
Pangay na nga sinisilip dito ni Panday, ha?
Oh, he got it. Nice 2-9 combination to close out that rack para kay Jericho Banyares. Rain Rod. Good shot para kay Denmark. Gets contact.
Good hit on that one.
Nakikita yata siyang tira dito. Pwede. Binalik sa taas.
Yeah.
Ganitong tira. Ang layo na, nakatago pa bahagya yung sa is.
Yes.
So he tries a kill shot. Goes behind the 6.
Pwede
Kita.
pa rin.
Pwedeng scratch dito. He has to be careful. Oh.
Nakitro ko pa doon ng white ball.
There you go. As explained by Doc Nicky. Si Jolo Aspuria, isa sa mga younger names dito sa ating Season 2. But has proven himself a formidable opponent dito. And that guy has such a bright future sa billiards the way he's playing here.
Still a student. Lalo pa ngayon, Mark, no, na umuusbong na naman yung mga pangalan ng Pinoy pagdating sa bilyar. Sabi nga nila.
He's trying to go for defense once again. Great shot. One rack escape. Will it be a 1-7? No. But great defense. Look at that.
Yes.
Pinaalisan Webe yung pamato. He go offensive.
2 rails.
Ooh, gets contact. Will he get
Parang
the
babalik
defense?
lang ulit dun,
Buti na lang medyo matangkad itong si Jolo. Using that.
That 4 might come off to that side pocket. And he'll opt for that same pocket para dito sa 4 ball.
So far so good for Jolo. Oh, ooh, he will go to the side pocket. They need this rack badly to stop the bleeding here. I don't want to say the phrase. We'll leave that to
Ayaw mo
AJO.
magpahiyang, ha?
At mukhang makukuha na nga dito ng Negros Occidental ang isa pang rack. The break. Pasok. Dalawang bola on the break.
Magkasunod doon, 2 and 6.
Mark EJ Cunanan, of course, hoping na makapasok na siya sa mesa. But the way things are looking, at least sa latag ng bola, Doc Nicky. To say,
Nabangkit mo na.
at least hindi ko ginamit to sa paraan na yon, di ba? Sinabi ko, ang dami pang bola. I love the sharking. Aktibo-aktibo yung mga fans natin tonight dito.
Yes.
Alam mo naman yung tinatawag na sixth man effect, di ba?
Yes.
Pag aktibo yung energy galing sa fans mo, nadadala ka dun eh. Ganda ng nilalaro ng batang to. And Jolo Aspuria pockets the 9. And the lead is just down to 1. 5-4 na lang ang kalam. Kaya nagpilian yung mga tao dito. Every time that 9 ball moves, talaga namang mapapatili ka. Good shot by Sagipin.
Ayun naman pala. There you go. Ang maganda dito sa Negros, hindi sila nagpatibag.
Sagipid, preparation sa side pocket para sa sais.
Maybe 2-3 rails dito for the white.
Mukhang sa
One rail
nipisan.
na lang.
Oo.
At lahat ito may butas na, Mark.
After this 8 and looking very, very good. Wag mo lang imumog to, please. So, Brian Sagipid.
1 rail perhaps. Si-safety niya na lang dito, Mark.
He gets it. Ang tanong, will it get enough? Sagipid will clearly use the short rail. He was trying to go for the 8. Looks like he will go defense. Ooh, he goes for the 1-8. And he gets it. Plus a possible shot again for the one. Good shot. Theory reach, yes. But I think that was defense. He
Yeah.
was not going offense there. Goes Will. Did not get the scratch.
Enjoy watching SBA. Pa-shoutout naman dyan, Doc Nicky and Mark Zambrano. The Rockstar, June Sanke, at sa mga kamag-anakan ko dyan. Magandang gabi din. And RJ Amido.
Foul dito. Ito si Mauricio hitting the 7 first with Doc Nicky Ang and Kamomot's break. Ang ganda ng break ni Kamomot dito. After nagbadya ng gusto. Threatening itong Taguig Stallions earlier on. Raymart Kamomot ngayon.
Kung nakaka-run man nga yung kabila, nakakasagot naman kaagad-agad, hindi na kailangan ng timeout.
Hindi na kailangan pag-isipan yung mga nangyayari dito, no? And mukhang nagkakatotoo naman yung mga sinabi ng mga coaches sa ating kanina, no?
Yes.
Yung kanilang fearless forecast as to how their team will perform here.
Ang bilis ng lumatsyata, ganun-ganun lang,
Oo.
may pinakaagad eh.
And again, just like that, another rack goes the way of the Negros Occidental Pillars. Arguably the most huggable player we have dito sa SBA Season 2. Maraming fans din to si Randy MC.
Oo.
Naku.
Idol nga daw, may sumigaw pa dun sa labas.
May hakot na fans club din to kanina eh.
Uy, pala yun!
Hindi natin nakita yun!
Grabe naman pala. Abbreviation pala ang gusto nito ni DMC.
Thin cut, perfectly done. And look at the preparation on the 6.
Using that 9-ball mark.
Wow. And this will be a crawl. And back up.
Side drill pa.
Talaga naman. Nag-exhibition pa po. Nagpaikot pa ng cue ball. Asserting his dominance here and takes the rack. Ayun na ang inaabangan ng kanyang mga kakampi. Deadlocked at 9 apiece. Crucial rack here. Right hand spin or rather left hand spin. Yun na nga.
There you go.
Chance na mapunta ka sa mesa, talagang ang ganda ng nilalaro mo eh.
Oo. Ganda naman pasunod nun for that 8. Needs to draw on this one.
And he gets it. Into the lead if they can. Oh! Not the time to do that. Will he be able to abbreviate this rack and put them on the hill? Ganda nung tira. Wow! And he gets the fist bump in the air.
Sa ating side pocket. At mukhang...
Pinag-uusapan natin yung tira kanina ni Pulpul. Ano?
Oo.
Ang tapang mo para gawin mo yung ganun tira.
Yes.
He's trying to forget what happened in the last rack. And
From here on out, hindi na siya pwedeng paltan dito.
palayuan yung plangketa dito as Kamomot. Walang pinapakitang kaba talaga dito si Kamomot, ano? And they are still alive here. Looking for the placing dito with Taguig on the hill right now. Ooh, almost. Kaya bang nipisan to? No, he will opt for the safety.
But,
naku, iniiwan ng tira. And he gets it. Tries to get that. Wag mo lang babarahan. Nagkaroon pa ng ganong development. Tries to go for the safety. It looks like that from the top shot, but let's see. He goes for the safety here. Gusto niyang ibara yung 4 and 7. Perfect shot. Ang ipapakita dito nitong si Jericho Banyares. We go one rail up. Banyares.
For the 8 ball.
Almost, but not quite for Negros Occidental. There's a shot beautifully done by Kamomot.
Ang nilalaman itong mga ugat-ugat.
He wants
Kamomot.
more. He wants more of an angle. Gets it. There's a side pocket.
Much to the delight of his teammates, Mark.
Hill. Nagbabadya po ang Hill. Ayun na! Napatalon kami ni Doc Nicky. Huwag naman ganun, Kamomot. Ikaw naman. Sa body language. Because Kamomot is still on the table. Generally, Doc Nicky, the spread is not that hard.
Yes. Naunahan mo lang ako doon, Mark.
Ay!
Wow!
Oh no! Look at the face of Coach Jaynard Orque. Sagipid. Defense. Good shot.
Gawan mo na ng paraan.
He gets contact. And it looks like he will get the defense. Wow! Hill. Sagipid. Gets contact.
Sumunod ang pato.
Ooh! Imagine from 11-10, naging 12-10. Hinabol ngayon ng Negros.
Yes.
He's
yes.
making sure. Ganda ng tira, but where will this go? Huwag ka didikit. Naku, problema. Ito na nga. Look at Coach Jojo. This the shot. Will he make it? What a shot by Kamomot! What a shot to bail them out on the 7.
Raymart Kamomot
Unbelievable.
for the win.
For the win, Kamomot gets you to go! Raymart Kamomot brings out all the stops, shakes of the cobweb, shakes of the kaba, and wins it.
When the Thunder and Jose Rizal go together, that means it will rain in Luneta.
Ano? Jose Rizal. Okay. Speaking of the Thunder, that was a nice attempt to go for safety.
Nice. Extension requested by the Taguig Stallions after this brilliant safety shot. One rail. There has to be a lot of English.
Oh,
and
check that
the
out.
7 ball has been made on the kick.
Team Dreams Pro, Boss Bernard Reyes, Ma'am April Sabala Reyes.
Great things.
What
What happened?
Sino nga ba nag-post nun si...
Ewan ko sa Manila kung sino dun.
Nako, this early, Noel.
Oh, look
Grabe
at that.
ka naman.
3 to the 4. What's the going to be? Oh, inside spin. Ako, muntikan pa.
The mere fact that you've thought about it.
Ay.
Question is, the cue ball control though, it's not going to be quite easy to control that cue ball.
Yeah,
Look at
as you
that.
said, yeah.
To take the 5 into the side. Nicely done.
Go side and go around. That's what's gonna happen. Let's see. Oh! Pinaputok pa talaga.
Grabe
Oh,
ka naman.
I'm not saying anything.
Final ball now.
Calls the Cheshire Cat.
Wow, there you have it, guys. 9 ball down, Mauricio.
These are the two most experienced members in terms of international competition.
Trying to use the 8 here. Or is he just gonna... Okay.
Good shot. Another ball has to make contact with another rail.
Cue ball behind the 7 this time.
Yun.
Or the 9.
It's like a golf tournament.
Or a chess tournament.
This is a putt to make it. 2 rails.
Nicely done.
Wow. Well, they tried to go for the 8 on a double purpose shot. Oh!
Okay, so they're gonna just simply roll this in with some top left spin. Okay, di na kailangan mag-bounce. So, tinampal na lang sa kaliwa. So ito, napaka-ideal naman yung position dito for a combination on the 9 ball. But of course, Noel, this is not a gimme. This is far from a gimme.
Definitely. But you do want your captain shooting at it. And Galvez gets it
Nicely
done.
done.
Saan
So,
ang problema?
Yung 6 is slightly
Covering the 4.
covering the 4 ball. Hindi pa safe to say ito. Okay. Mas maganda kung madikit nila sa may side rail na rin.
There it is. With force. 1, 2, 3.
Kung madikit nila, mas maganda sana.
Wow.
Para kitang-kita.
Of course,
Unahan
nagbigay sa
now.
kanya ng pangalan niya si Jericho Banyares din.
Setting up for the side.
Oh! Almost!
3 rails around to get to the 6.
Uy, naku,
Nako.
bumilis yung pamato.
7 balls slightly to the rest. Shouldn't be a problem here for Cunanan.
Second series pa lang
Oo,
yan. Kasi
yun
yung
na.
unang series, wala siya eh. Okay, good.
Magkabila ang corner pockets.
Galve and Mauricio are sent back to the bench. Thank you, Boss Bernard of Team Dreams Pro. For Boss Bernard Reyes,
Si Ma'am
We await
April Sabala.
the hot noodles.
Wow.
Oy, overcut AJ ang uno.
Mhm. So, ang dahilan kung ba't tumatawa sila, sabihin ba natin?
Ayun. Hindi, ano,
Wag na lang.
huwag na lang. Baka kaya nagkakaasaran eh.
Okay.
Spadahan.
Five. Nicely parked behind that orange.
There's Anton Raga.
Yun.
Okay. Contact
Okay, that
on
was
the
a good
one.
hit.
Successful. May tatago ba? May tatago ba? They're saying bank shot. Oh. Ano ko bank shot eh.
Okay.
He's gonna have to make this roll.
Corner.
Wow.
Nicely done as well as the speed control.
Pull, of course, at 40. The elder statesman in the team and the 28-year-old Kumayas.
Oh, nicely done behind
Tumayo
the
na kagad si
three.
Aspurio. Muntik na pumasok yung dos sa side. 6 ball very close to the corner pocket. They might consider this.
Yeah, possible 2-6 combo.
Wala daw.
He felt
Oy.
it na medyo nasa
Napanipis.
fin side
Oo.
yung contact.
That is in the past for Negros.
Mas maganda yung sinagot mo.
If they go for the 4-9 combination, mukhang hindi. Na ipinasok naman ni Cunanan. Barring any AJ Ongkers, the two members, the original members of the Taguig Stallions.
With some inside spin.
Ganda naman.
Nice. Okay, looking good. Sagiped on the 8.
And the 3-game run by Mauricio and Aspuria comes to an end.
Let's
They might
see.
go for it. Di pa rin.
Again. Yeah, trying to hide.
Yep, discretion is the better part of valor for the Taguig Stallions. Spadahan.
Playing it safe, yeah. Needs to get a good hit.
Kamomo
This
does
is
get a
looking
good hit.
good.
Does he roll it
Look
in?
at this.
Does he roll it in?
Oh.
Raymart Kamomot with another magic shot.
So, bigyan natin kapag may easy shot na. Whoa!
That was not an easy
Watch
shot.
out for the 6 though. Oh, come on, man. He deserved better result than that. Ito, very jumpable sana. But
Yeah.
since it's not allowed, kailangan dumiskarte.
Oh, humilera pa.
Okay. So mukhang yun na yung huling tira ng Taguig Stallions sa rack na to. DMC.
Nag-aasar na.
Medyo nasa desperate moves na sila because they're climbing up now. Pillars.
Nagtitripan si Castronuevo.
Okay, simple bounce from this short rail. Magkabilang corner pockets for the 7 and 9.
An unlikely duo. Isang tahimik, isang very flamboyant. And Castronuevo puts Negros Occidental on the hill.
Rail
Well,
first.
double purpose shot.
Left it open.
There's still a safety option here. Let's see if Kamomo takes it on. Took it
Just
on.
like that. Tons of inside. Perfectly executed.
Next order of business.
Pwede sana.
Kaya.
Yun mismo. Side for the purple 4. Medyo napahina
oh.
lang.
50-yarder here.
Yeah. Ooh, slightly almost a Kamomogation right there from Kamomot. Oh, this is it right here now, guys. Look at that right there. Sight of confidence.
Oh, wow. And the Pillars have taken a 2-0 lead in this series with this 13-9 victory.
Ang player na tulad ni Demosthenes Pulpul, that's a very, very It's a dangerous situation to be in.
Yung break success niya, that's something that he needs to work on dito. He's going to work on yung kanilang break dito. Nobody has really found.
Actually, nakausap natin sila. No? Parang they're resigned to the fact that the breaks here are just pure luck.
The layout presents itself. And he also made a splash as a 22-year-old sa World Pool Championships for the Taguig Stallions. And again, this is a very important match for Taguig. This is to try and avert a sweep.
Negros Occidental has been playing. Kung naaalala niyo pa, sariwa pa sa alaala natin yung King of the Hill Monday.
That was supposed to be Taguig's. Nawala sa kanila. Now they have a chance to get it back as the opening rack belongs to the captain, Demosthenes Pulpol. Great drawback to get the 2-ball into the side pocket. He is playing the 3-9 mark.
No, he went
No,
through.
he's not 3-9. He's playing the 3-9. Kita mo talaga yung sipat niya ron.
So maybe that's one aspect of this game that he thinks he needs improvement on.
Off the side rail. Not
Things are
an
looking
issue. To Whitey, who has lost all his Whitey.
Nagtina ba?
Nagtina eh.
No.
But he is showing his wares now for the Negros Occidental Pillars as
Well, he can opt for that thin cut on the 1. Preparation for the 2 lang ang magiging key dito for Pulpol.
decides to go safe. 2-rail kick. May kick shot naman siya sa kabilang side rail but he's opting for the 2-rail kick here. Making contact with the 1 and
wow.
making it, and he has preparation on the 2 mark. Opensa. Para kay Jolo, and again
no.
he leaves the 1 ball. Does he get help from the 9? Pulpol might heed your advice, Mark. He is jacking up a bit and trying to masse around the 9 ball. Does get it,
Oh.
and he gets it to go.
Saktong-sakto yun. Avoiding the scratch at but that 2 looks like it's pocketable if you get good position. Could
First,
use
yeah.
2 rails to get position here for the 2.
Attacks the 1 well and does land well on the 2 as we give a shout out. It's not straight in. But he makes it.
Wow.
Jolo Aspuria. Tennis Pulpol. Makes good contact. Does he get to the 3 ball? That's the insurance policy in case.
Kumpul-kumpul eh.
4-7, 9-2. Kita. Attack. Missed it. Backup plan. Successful for Pulpol. Good contact. But he sells it out.
Well, I think medyo umangat naman yung 1 ball. So, there he goes again with the defense. Mimase.
May masay nga dito. Oh, and he gets safe behind the 4. Tito Whitey, Demosthenes Pulpol, is turning 41 this August. A short rail, long rail. Oh, just opted for 1. Hinatid!
wow, look at that.
Hinatid! Ng pamato. Pero back to spadahan na naman tayo dito.
Iyon na nga nangyari. Ang ganda talaga ng espadahan dito. Just position na lang ang... Ay!
Oh, he missed that combination, Mark.
That went far.
Pinaghiwalay. Nako, kita ba yan? Biglang dumating si Cinco. Yan ang
Talaga
rest back
naman.
niya. They get bored when the pitcher is good. Sa baseball, dito naman sa pool. Pag parehong may dulong sa spadahan, ang sarap din panoorin.
Yes.
Trying to hide behind the 3.
Check that out.
He does. But looks like
This gives Cholo Aspuria opportunity here.
ito na ang tee shot, Mark. 1 to the 2. Hit the 8 ball.
Of Jolo Aspuria.
And then suddenly, the combination of Aspuria, of course, na pinasok si Kamomot at saka off the bench si Dinmar Castronuevo, where Negros Occidental took it 13-9.
Laglag na lang nangyayari dito.
Kaya pa rin. And Jolo Aspuria is now up 9-6. Padahan ang mangyayari dito. Oh, Pulpul actually had enough of the one. I didn't see that. Most of the balls in the middle of the table. Uy.
Lamig nung tira.
Channel your inner AJ Ong. It's a little bit of a follow to get to the 6th ball.
And I can only connect that to just sheer confidence in your skill.
Kaya lang pag everyday tayo naglaro, sasakit na yung balikat mo, sasakit na yung... And for these pros, when this 9 ball goes down, Taguig still in it. Jolo Aspuria coming into this week. But iwasan ni Plong Plong ba to? Pulpul abbreviates it.
Hoping against hope that this is a good shot.
Two rail contact. Does he leave it? See if he had enough to get it back into the side pocket.
Wow!
And he does make it. Mastery of this table. 3 balls away from the hill.
Ano ba kinain yan?
On the hill, the Taguig Stallions. Pulpul will head for the hills.
Oh, foul!
Foul on the 7.
That's a foul!
Yan ang sinasabi ni Jojo Sanchez kanina during the timeout eh. Pwede na mag-shark yung mga players pala. No? They have so the run of 5 consecutive racks will come to an end.
A sigh of relief from this young man.
Yung mga Negros players na yung nag-iingay ngayon. Okay, nako. Oh, missed it! He missed it!
What went wrong? Totally missed the 7.
Sobrang nipis, hindi tuloy tumama sa object ball. And Jojo Sanchez can only smile about that miss. Demosthenes Pulpul.
What happened?
Pulpul puts it away.
For this week's series, it's going to be a different story because we rarely get to see a 2-all scoreline sa ating weekly na para pag Friday, pagdating ng last day,
Looks like this is going to be a shot into the side.
pocket.
Nicely
Nicely
done.
done. I hope they can break this 8-6, but nope.
When it was a 6-5 lead para sa Taguig Stallions, run DMC.
That's their chance to break. Nicely done. Okay.
I would think you 8%,
Yeah.
but that because you also have to account for the 3 scratches on the break na
Yes.
nakuha niya. 2 balls away from striking first dito sa ating Doubles Thursday for rack number 1. And Negros Occidental is on the board first.
Okay, made a ball there, made the 3, and looks like he's gonna have
Pwede.
a combination.
Showing last night pagdating sa kanyang sargo, pagandaan na safety, pero sa
Yeah.
bandang dulo, Aspuria was winning out on the safety battles. Actually, 20 years older.
Pero parang long time friend na rin, si Ri Jeter de Mafeli. Sabi dito, good evening, Sir AJ.
Whirlpool Championship. Parang 3 years old pa lang yata si ano
Sino?
nun.
14 years of age.
5 years pa lang. Well, 6 years pa lang now. Ganun din naman. Mas bata pa si Dart sa
Ganun
kanya.
din si Dart.
Oo.
Diba? Same din si Dart
Wow,
Bonote.
this is gonna be a 3-0 lead para sa Negros Occidental Pillars.
Sa likod. Some inside spin. Okay, they tried to attack.
May backup plan. Will it be a kick shot off the long rail here for Jolo Aspuria?
Pretty critical yung safety dito since wala masyadong nasa gitna.
Uy!
Dito talaga madali makita. Up. Okay, that was pretty close.
No,
Missed
this is
his
gonna-
mark there.
Yeah, pero
2 rails to get behind the brown. This will do. Gitna lang ang tama.
gitna lang ang tama.
That looked pretty good.
Well,
But it's open. Trying to play it safe. Tinawid ilog, something like that. Pero 34 is pretty
Right,
young pa
right.
rin naman. Talaga. Yeah, a 2-railer coming from the side rail. Okay, that was a good hit Unfortunately, it's gonna show now. Trying to draw the cue ball to get near the 3. Nicely done.
All depends on how Hidalgo executes this carom shot.
Karam on the 9. Oh, that's too far off. Of course, kahit na ma-setup ng maganda, it's always not a guarantee naman talaga na ma-execute mo yung
Right.
karambola. Mahirap kaya ang karambola.
Especially yung gano'n, may kadikit yung
Yes,
may
another
kadikit na
object
ocho.
ball. That's right.
This is a long and straight shot. One of the
Forward.
hardest in all of pool.
Uh-huh. Okay,
No problem.
opting to go for the combo. So narinig ko kanina, kombinasyon na lang, gumanon. Siguro
Yeah.
si Coach Jaynard siguro yung nagsabi nun,
Kahit si Tito Whiting nga eh.
ilagay na lang sa combo.
Pull gets it to go. On the break, kagabi, wala siyang na-scratch sa kanyang sargo. Pwede naman.
Pwede naman ba?
Oo, teka. Pwede pa.
Okay. So habang hinihintay natin dito, binabati ko ang asawa ni Jonald Galve, si Miss Rihanna Guerra Galve, Genara Lariosa Compassion. Okay, down to their last 4 balls now. Wala namang problema, grabe naman. Bounce. Perfectly executed, Drasier. For this rack, of course. A picture perfect 9 ball for Mauricio.
6-3, Negros Occidental Pillars.
Mukhang makikita natin si Raji pretty soon. Oh, 9 ball in motion.
Golden break!
Oh, first golden break of the day.
Magaling na tagaluto.
Wow. Okay, nice opener. Nice opening shot on the 1. Cue ball lands pretty well on the
Kaya.
2. Jimboy Jimenez, shout out sa'yo. Watching from Pangasinan. Okay. So, nag-cut na lang siya dito. Mukhang okay naman na lahat. So, okay naman
Okay na to,
Nakasurvive
okay
naman
na to.
sila.
Yan.
Okay. 4 balls away. It is safe to say. Side pocket ang 7. Nice bounce on the 7 ball.
Ba't naka-cross yung daliri mo, AJ?
Mean a straight angle to draw back.
28-year-old from Cebu City. To stop the run. Yes.
There you have it, guys.
And challenging position on the 2 ball ang kasunod dito.
That's because of the 9.
Okay. Kunanan were the catalysts in forcing a Game 5 in last season's finals. At sila parati nagiging magic duo para dito kay Jaynard Orque. But will they provide the magic now?
And opportunity para dito sa Taguig. Okay. Bouncing off 2 rails. Good landing on the green. Straight draw. Well, this will do. Bouncing forward. Side for the black. Perfect speed if they want to. Pero yan na lang.
Ganyan na lang. Banayar.
Sa giped, Urda Knights on the 9 ball.
Ayan na si I Love It. Nabuhay na naman. Right. That will be the 4th scratch of the season. And a very repeatable rack.
Okay, Mauricio and Aspuria looking good to finish the rack. Kayang-kaya na nila ito. Side for the 5, is it? Or the corner pocket? They're aiming to take this into the side.
Wala.
Okay. The short rail. Okay. Kahit dyan na lang. Same pocket or short side. Okay.
To prevent the pillars from getting on the hill.
Oh, nicely done. Once again, Mauricio on the final ball.
And on the hill.
Kung kaya ni Aspuria ngayon na malagay sa maganda ang pato para sa 9.
Oh! Bumugation. Shot for the corner na ito.
Oh, will he be able to pull this off?
No.
Oh, and again, twice in that same pocket, missing the black. Let's see if Drasier puts it away.
Does
Oh,
not.
again!
What is it with this 8 ball?
Okay.
Just when you thought that Negros Occidental was in the clear, the Taguig Stallions are still fighting.
Ocho, the amount of draw that he needs to put on the cue ball. I was about to finish my sentence, but nangyari na yung nangyari dito. Going for the left. Oh, that was too far off. If that was a bank, that was too far off.
Oh, it sells out into the side pocket for the win. Jonald Galve.
Galve taking this to the corner.
Oh! Gets it. Jonald Galve, like he did last Tuesday, puts it away.
Jaynard, okay. Talking about contributions when it's
Good, but still, that's above 50% and 61 wins. Ito, speed control na lang ito. This is gonna be quite an easy layout. He can avoid that 7. Team used the timeout last Monday because baka masira momentum ng this week. So, same pocket kayong dalawa. Konting biyahe na lang para dito sa 6 ball. Also, a returning player for the Taguig Stallions.
nakahihirapan makakuha ng panalo, nahihirapan makakuha ng sargo.
Oo.
Eh yung mag-umpisa ka.
But
Huh?
again, you go back again to the zero break percentage. Ended up in a foul for Hidalgo and a run out for Brian Sagiped. To make this a 4-1 series, I believe Player of the Week honors should be going to ito si Raymart Kamomot. We have yet to see Kamomot tonight.
Tahimik yung... Wow!
Hey!
What a shot coming
Dinaplisan na.
from Drasir Mauricio!
That-
So it took more than 40 seconds for Jericho Banyares to decide on what he's going to do with the first shot. Opted to push to force Drasir Mauricio to deal with that yellow one who is...
Try to hide the cue ball if in case, no, talagang depensa na lang talaga. Ginawa niya, he's gonna hide it behind the four. What a shot for Mauricio. Look at all the left-hand spin Banyares is applying on this cue ball. He's going to go for the 3-rail kick which missed. Shot of the night, yung kanyang pina on the 6 ball from distance. Oh! No way.
That one did not pull back enough.
If you take a look at that angle, he might have enough for a bank shot on the 9 ball. But is he the type to risk that? He is.
Bank
And he gets it.
shot! Ipon-ipon lang yung mga bola sa gitna. So if anything, whenever you make a play,
Opposite corner pocket. 4. Just like that. On the 5 in the corner rather. 6 into the side. Santos' reign is about to end. Question usually is whoever makes it to 5,
just like Monday,
right?
Black 8 to the side pocket.
Galve is automatic here. He just has to shrug off all of the noise that he hears in the background. Nobody wants to give a timeout. Ayun, Tito Whitey nakadalawa sa Sargo. Might even have the 5 ball. He got the 8 and he's got the 3. Ito si Demosthenes Pulpul in this season, 22.8% break percentage.
A huge part of the success of a team.
Team that's worse than their 29.2%.
So again, you just in that series. But as far as this rack is concerned, Noel, we're about to...
For the matchup for the Taguig Stallions, Demosthenes Pulpul to give the lead back to the Stallions.
They're just 4 racks away to victory for this night, Noel.
Well, ito, if great things happen, makes the break. Ayan na yun!
Ball!
Wow, Kumayas just stood there and watched the 9 ball go down. Sabihin na natin, dalawang rack pang kailangan dito na Negros. The way the pillars have been playing all week, oh my goodness.
No.
An easy layout to finish. Parang in between siya doon sa dalawang tira.
That you make here. This must be a top notch.
Oh.
Quite scary.
So Hidalgo has to draw it back. That's the best he can do.
He's gonna put some top spin on that ball.
Ah,
Yup,
yeah,
he
no?
did.
So 2-3 rails na pala kinailangan niya.
Again, 4 straight racks already won by the Black Eagle. 2 balls to send them to the hill. 1 more rack to get them to the promised land. Some conversation. There
Right.
it is.
Sumayad pa pero pumasok din.
If anything, this could be the key shot.
Well, he might go defense on the 3.
But it's gonna be a draw.
Try to use the 8.
Oh.
Ganda naman ang gapang.
Galve made it. Before the break, we asked the question.
Sa ating last match, Nung one-on-one, syempre sa one-on-one, si Jolo Aspuria yun eh. Kasi nung nakaraang Lunes, si Raymond Camomot yung tumapos eh.
Just 2 balls away, let's see. Oh, he went so soft on that black 8.
And the victory to Negros. They take the series, J, 4-1.
Negros Occidental Pillars finishing the week in such a fashion.